Mastering Nonverbal Communication for Public Speaking. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on mastering English public speaking and presentation skills. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: nonverbal communication skills. You'll learn how to use your body language, facial expressions, and other nonverbal cues to enhance your public speaking. The first thing to understand is just how crucial nonverbal communication is. Nonverbal cues can make up more than 50% of our communication. We communicate not only through words but also through our gestures, posture, facial expressions, and even our silence. So, it's essential to align your nonverbal communication with what you're saying verbally. Now, let's start with body language and posture. Standing tall and confident can make you appear more authoritative and credible. Try not to cross your arms or legs, as it can create a barrier between you and your audience. Instead, use open body language to engage your audience. Use your hands to emphasize your points, but remember, excessive hand movements can distract your audience. Next up are facial expressions. Your face is like a billboard for your emotions and thoughts. Ensure your facial expressions match the tone of your speech. For example, if you're discussing a serious topic, smiling broadly might not be appropriate. Remember, consistency between your words and your facial expressions is key. One of the most powerful nonverbal tools is eye contact. Good eye contact can help establish rapport and connection. It shows your audience that you're engaged and interested in them. But don't stare, instead try to make eye contact with various individuals in your audience. Lastly, let's talk about voice and tone. These might not be considered nonverbal, but they are certainly part of your non-word communication. Varying your pitch and tone can make your speech more interesting. Speak clearly and use pauses for emphasis. Remember, sometimes silence can speak louder than words. And that wraps up our session on nonverbal communication skills for public speaking. Remember, your body language, facial expressions, eye contact, and tone of voice all play a crucial role in delivering an effective and engaging speech. Practice these skills and watch your public speaking abilities soar. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.